Hello, Spanish Grand Prix Barcelona 2025. Did you get a chance to watch it? Okay, let's get into this. This is one fan's opinion. Well, let's start off with the results, shall we? Should I tease you and start from the bottom? Yes, of course. All right, so Alex Albon, DNF. Kimi Antonelli, oh man, blew the engine. I think when he was going through the chicane, I think he downshifted too aggressively. My opinion, of course. I don't have any of the data to support that, but you could see as he was going through the corners, you could hear the engine as he downshifted, and then puff of white smoke. That's it. Engine's over. Rolled off into the gravel. Bartoletto, 0 points. Esteban Ocon, 0 points. Carlos Sainz, Yuki Tsunoda. How about we just start with the points? Verstappen, Max Verstappen, 10th place, 1 point. Fernando Alonso, 9th place, 2 points. Pierre Gasly, 4 points, 8th place. 7th place, Hajar, 6 points. 6th place, Lewis Hamilton, 8 points. 5th place, Hülkenberg, 10 points. Russell in 4th place, 12 points. Charles Leclerc in 3rd position, 15 points. Lando Norris in 2nd place, 18 points. Oscar Piastri, race winner, first place, 25 points.